Yeah, good evening, students. Most important topics of maths for JEE Mains 2021. So, how is your preparation going? You can speak out, no problem. Very less students are there. You can speak out, no problem. So, how is your preparation going on? How is your preparation going on? Is my voice is coming to you? Is my voice is coming to you? Voice is clear for you? Then why you are not giving response? See, some of the topics, yes. So how is your preparation going on for third session and fourth session? Yes, yes. Yeah, so here some of the topics I am writing. First one is sets and relations. Second one is statistics. Third one is mathematical logic. Fourth one is quadratic equations. Fifth one is matrices. Sixth one is sequence and series. Sequence and series. Seventh one is straight lines. Eighth one is circles. The ninth one is ITF, inverse inverse trigonometric functions. Tenth one is limits. 11th one is continuity and differentiability. Then 12th one is indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. 13th one is differential equations. 14th chapter is vectors. 15th chapter is 3. See, all these topics, voice everything is clear for you? Everything is clear for you? Speak out. You can speak out, no problem. I came to know. You can speak out. Okay, done. See, generally, sets and relations, generally we are getting one question. Statistics also one question. Mathematical logic or mathematical reasoning one question. Quadratic equation, almost a one question. Matrices, very simple question, one question. But sequences series, 2 to 3 questions coming. Straight line, one question. Circles, one question. Inverse trigonometry, generally one question. Limits, one question. Continuity differentiability, one question. Indefinite integration, one question. Differential equation, 2 questions. Generally vectors, 2 questions. 3D also some 2 questions. So, what is the total number of questions you can do? Can you count? What is the total number of questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So then 6. So sometimes they are giving one question from differential equation. Sometimes they are giving in together 3 questions. So then there 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 compulsory, 14. So some of the times we may miss questions, but compulsory total number of questions, if you do these chapters minimum as 15 questions you are going to cover. So I am not explaining any question or any topic, just only how to do the preparation is the important thing. And this is the most important time. So in this time, compulsory you have to do this preparation of these topics very perfectly. Because suppose if you see the first topic here, sets and relation, very simple question they are asking. Whatever the material you have, you can do that preparation. Then statistics also, these are the 11th topics. Mathematical logic of 12th standard, easy question they are asking. Even if you prepare CBSE book or if you prepare your board textbook for mathematical logic, that is more than enough. Quadratic equation, generally for JEE advanced tough question will be there, but for JEE mains it will be very simple question. Quadratic equation will be very simple question they are asking, and you can easily get the solution of quadratic equations. So matrices mainly, quadratic equation generally what we can do is, you have to do the preparation, basics of quadratic, you can note down also, basics of quadratic, relation between roots and coefficients, transformations, common roots, quadratic function, up to quadratic function also they are asking. Maximum they never ask location of roots. Maximum they never ask location of roots. So quadratic equation is that. Matrices, you have to put more focus on determinants, adjoint, properties of adjoint most important, properties of determinant most important. Determinant chapter will be separate. I am not telling that determinant chapter here. So properties of determinant covered in matrices is important, and inverse system of linear equations. The most important thing is system of linear equations. So system of linear equations you have to prepare more in matrices. They are asking compulsory question. Compulsory from matrices they are asking system of equation question. So then sequence and series. So sequence and series is the easiest chapter. Easily you can score 2 questions. Generally sequences AP, GP, HP and AGP they are asking one question, and series compulsory in every session, every paper generally they are asking a question on series. Then so these are all the algebra topics, and what we left in algebra, complex numbers we left. If you prepare, no problem. Not that much of tough complex numbers. Okay, we can manage. Binomial theorem is generally tough question they are asking. But if you do once preparation, okay, no problem. Binomial theorem they are asking generally tough question. Probability, permutation, combination at this time don't prepare that first. Don't prepare probability and permutation combination. Then determinant also same. Determinant also very tough question they are asking generally. But if you get by luck, if you get any substitution, value substitution, if you get answer, that is well and good. But generally, using the properties and all this thing, determinant question will become. It was really tough. So if you have time, you can do. But generally, leave that. So in algebra, mainly sets relation, statistics, mathematical logic. Compulsory you can do these three questions. Easy question they are asking. Quadratic little bit tough question, and maths is again easy question. Sequences series also easy question. So in this part you can easily do 7 questions very simple from the algebra part. Then coming to geometry, I have not given all the topics from the geometry. Straight line as well as the circles only. That's all. Conic section don't touch now at a time. Don't touch the conic section. So straight line means coordinate system, locus, transformation of axis, straight lines and pair of straight line. All these should be covered. That is only one chapter in entrance syllabus that is given as the straight lines. Then circles given. Circles compulsory you have to do the preparation. At least up to tangent and normals you have to do the preparation. The remaining part is not required. And most important in circles is relative position of circle. Relative position of circle. So relative position of circle is nothing but what? Whether the two circles are staying one away from other, whether they are touching, whether they are intersecting, or whether they are touching inside one inside others, and whether one circle is lies inside the other. अभी वो ज्यादा देखना पड़ेगा. मतलब क्या होता है इधर सर्किल कंपलसरी थोड़ा सा टफ क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं लेकिन easily you can get if you do basic preparation compulsory. So what I am suggesting is no need of preparation of the remaining conic section. Really that part is highly impossible to cover now. So at least you have to do circles, up to circles. Now inverse trigonometry. So inverse trigonometry topic in that the series related problem they are asking means sigma of tan inverse of properties. So tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y or tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, like that they are asking most important. And cot inverse also. So relation between tan inverse and cot inverse of x, that we have to see properly. That also they are asking. Keep concentration on inverse trigonometry. Remaining part of trigonometry, because trigonometry ratios, really tough question they are asking. Equations, they are asking easy questions, but if you don't think about the solution substitution, the trigonometry equation question becomes wrong. That's why I can tell you, you have to avoid that. And properties of triangles don't do. So only in trigonometry, only you have to prepare inverse trigonometric functions. So this is more than enough for that. Then after that, coming to calculus. So in calculus I have given total 4 chapters. Limits, continuity and differentiability, indefinite integration, differential equation. So compulsory in every session, compulsory they have asked the limits question. They are asking the question on limits 100%. So therefore, limits you have to concentrate more. So limits question. When you are strong in limit, continuity, differentiability related. So mainly continuity question sometimes you can do easily. Differentiability also, graphs related differentiability question they are asking. And don't get afraid of graphs. They are easy graphs they are asking in the JEE mains. In advanced that will be very tough graph they supposed to ask, but in JEE mains they are asking very simple. So continuity and differentiability compulsory. So these 3 topics, limits, continuity and differentiability, 100% you have to do. If you don't want to do limits, then leave these 2 also. So that's why these 3 topics are interlinking topics. So compulsory you have to prepare limits also, continuity also, differentiability also. And the rest of the topics of calculus, indefinite integral only you have to prepare. Indefinite integration question is easy question they are asking, but differential equation also. Sometime one question or sometime two questions. So they are asking, if they are asking two questions, application oriented problems on linear differential equation they are asking. Otherwise, variable separable or general formation or general homogeneous like that linear equations, they are asking the questions. So that's why you have to do compulsory differential equation also. So four topics given in entire calculus. So leave functions very tough. Applications of derivatives is easy but more lengthy. Many chapters are there, many topics are there in the applications of derivatives. So many topics are there. We have to give more time. That is not possible in this time. So therefore, leave that. Define integral and area. Tough question they are asking. Don't do that. Unnecessarily time waste. If really if they are fortunately if you get easy question in one session, that is okay, no problem, because anyhow you are doing the indefinite integration. But before the examination, just do the revision of only properties of definite integral. Just so really tough questions, definite integral as well as areas. So therefore, from calculus, so 1, 2, 3, 4, either 4 questions or 5 questions. So then, after that, vectors and 3D, you should not leave at any conditions. These are the very simple topics, but compulsory. Sometimes from 3D only they are asking 3 questions. Sometimes they are asking 3 questions from the 3D only. So therefore, vectors and 3D, either 4 questions, minimum 3 questions. So even vectors also, even they are not asking the vector general addition of vector, they are not asking. Product of vectors they are asking. Dot product related, geometrical related, cross product or geometrical related, triple product, vector product, scalar triple product. All these they are asking. Just if you remember the formula, easily you can identify. So easily you can identify. So utilize that. You have to do that vectors. 3D at anyhow conditions, you have to do 3D compulsory. So as I told you, sets relation, statistics, and mathematical as this matrices. So like this 3D, you should not leave. Maximum, the minimum they are asking 2 questions, and maximum they are asking 3 questions. So that's why 3D compulsory you have to do the preparation. So then, if you see here, the compulsory questions, very simple. You can get here 1 question, here 2 questions, 3 questions, 4 questions. So here 2 or 3, 6 questions. Maybe here 1 question is easy, 7. Differential equation also 1 question minimum easy, 8. Then here 1 question is minimum easy. Indefinite also generally easy question they are asking. So, whatever the tick mark I have given for these topics, and these questions are of easiest. So, 10 questions means 40 marks you are going to score. Compulsory, minimum 40 marks if you follow these topics, minimum 40 marks. So, here multiplied by 4, maximum 60 marks. So, the target is what? Minimum 40 marks. So maximum chances are there 60 marks. So if you do these topics thoroughly, the revision, compulsory minimum 40 marks or maximum 60 marks you are going to get. So this time don't prepare any new book, don't prepare any new material. Whatever you have done already, even you received our college material also. If you do the material problems, level 2, level 3 problems, not level 1, level 2 and level 3 problems, some of the times they are asking the same questions. So this is the information I supposed to give you. I don't want to waste your time because this is the most important time. Okay. So anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions, any queries, any doubts?